Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today we are going to continue with the topic History Part 3. Question number 1. First Governor of Portuguese in India. Answer Francisco Almeida. Portuguese was the first European who reached India. Portuguese voyager Vasco da Gama reached Calicut on May 17, 1498. The first governor of Portuguese in India was Francisco Almeida. Question number 2. Who is the first Governor General of Bengal? Answer Warren Hastings. Warren Hastings served as the Governor General of Bengal from 1772 to 1785. He passed a regulating act in the year 1773. And also Warren Hastings founded Asiatic Society of Bengal. Next question. When first Anglo-Maratha War took place? Answer 1776 to 1782. The first Anglo-Maratha War took place from 1776 to 1782. The Treaty of Salbai ended the first Anglo-Maratha War. The second Anglo-Maratha War took place from 1780 to 1784. Treaty of Mangaluru concluded the second Anglo-Maratha War in the year 1784. Question number 4. Who prohibited sati in 1829? Answer Lord William Bentinck. Lord William Bentinck was the Governor General from 1828 to 1835. He introduced many social reforms in India. One among them was prohibition of sati in the year 1829. And he also made an English medium of higher education in India. Lord William Bentinck passed a Charter Act in the year 1833. Next, question number 5. When first revolt at Meerut took place? Answer 1857. In the year 1857, the first revolt at Meerut took place. It is also known as Sipahi Mutiny or First War of Indian Independence. Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai, Tantya Tope, Nana Sahib were the leaders who started revolt. Question number 6. Who founded Brahma Samaj in 1828? Answer Rajaram Mohan Rai. Rajaram Mohan Rai started Brahma Samaj in the year 1828. He is the first great leader of modern India. He started Atmiya Sabha in the year 1814 and he started Brahma Samaj in the year 1829. Next question. Prarthana Samaj founded by? Answer Keshav Chandra Sen. Keshav Chandra Sen started Prarthana Samaj at Bombay. He was the member of Brahma Samaj which started Rajaram Mohan Rai in the year 1828. Question number 8. Cripps mission set up in the year? Answer 1942. The Cripps mission set up in the year 1922. In the same year, that is 1942, Quit India movement also held. Question number 9. The Muslim League founded in? Answer 1906. In the year 1906, the Muslim League were founded by Aga Khan. It is the part of Indian National Congress. Muslim League demanded a separate election for Muslims. And also it is supported partition of Bengal. Question number 10. The partition of Bengal done by? Answer Lord Curzon. Lord Curzon partitioned the Bengal in the year 1905. It was supported by Muslim League and it is opposed by Hindu. The Vernacular Press Act passed in the year? Answer 1878. In the year 1878, the Vernacular Press Act was passed. Question number 12. Swami Dayananda Saraswati founded? Answer Arya Samaj. Swami Dayananda Saraswati founded Arya Samaj. The motto of Arya Samaj was Go Back to Vedas. And the famous work of Swami Dayananda Saraswati was Satyartha Prakasha, which means the truth exposure. Next question. Who gave the famous slogan? one religion, one caste, and one God for all mankind? Answer: Sri Narayana Guru. Sri Narayana Guru was the social reformer from Kerala, and he was the leader of Izava caste who gave the famous slogan one religion, one caste, and one God for all mankind. Question number 14. The Pune Pact signed between Gandhiji and answer Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Pune Pact signed between Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar in the year 1932. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution and Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of nation. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar founded an organization called Bahishkrit Hitkarini Sabha, and both were participated in the round table conferences held in London. Next question. The Purna Swaraj declared on answer 31st December 1929. The Purna Swaraj declared on 31st December 1929. It was declared at the Indian National Congress which held in Lahore, which was presided by Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru declared Purna Swaraj or complete independence on 31st December 1929 and he said that 26th January is celebrated as Independence Day. Later, 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day of India. Question number 16. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Answer: Dadabhai Naoroji. Dadabhai Naoroji is known as the Grand Old Man of India. He was the only Indian who was selected for the British Parliament. Next question. Mahatma Gandhi started Dandi March from Sabarmati Ashram. Mahatma Gandhi started Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha from Sabarmati Ashram along with his 78 followers. It is also known as Salt Satyagraha or Dandi March. It is the part of civil disobedience movement which took place from 1930 to 1934. Question number 17. The first president of INC? Answer: W.C. Banerjee. The Indian National Congress, that is INC, founded by A.O. Hume in the year 1885 and it was presided by W.C. Banerjee. The INC founded Bombay. Question number 18. Permanent settlement system introduced in the year 1793. The permanent settlement system introduced in the year 1793. It is also known as Zamindari system. Question number 19. When Tippu Sultan killed? Answer: at 4th Anglo-Mysore War. Tippu Sultan, the king of Mysore, killed at the 4th Anglo-Mysore War which took place in the year 1799. There were 4 Anglo-Mysore Wars took place. The first Anglo-Mysore War was fought by Hyder Ali and British and the 4th Anglo-Mysore War was fought between British and Tippu Sultan. Tippu Sultan was killed by Lord Wellesley in the year 1799. Question number 20. Who was the first Viceroy of India? Lord Canning. Lord Canning was the first Viceroy of India. Question number 21. The Government of India Act 1909, also known as Minto-Morley Reform. The Government of India Act 1909 is known as the Minto-Morley Reform. Minto-Morley Reform mainly aimed to divide the Hindus and Muslims. It also aimed to conduct a separate electorate for Muslims. Question number 22. The first Indian railway started between answer Bombay to Thane. The first Indian railway started between Bombay to Thane in the year 1853. In the same year, the first telegraph line also laid between Kolkata to Agra. Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General of India at this time. Next question. Who introduced the postal system in India? Answer: Lord Dalhousie. Lord Dalhousie introduced the postal system in India. He was the Governor General of India from 1848 to 1856. And also he introduced the doctrine of lapse, and he also started engineer college at Roorkee. Next question. The Woods Dispatch passed in the year? Answer 1854. The Woods Dispatch passed in the year 1854, which deals with the education system in India. Next question. When did Widow Remarriage Act passed? Answer 1856. In the year 1856, the Widow Remarriage Act was passed when Lord Dalhousie was the Governor General of India. The Widow Remarriage Act was passed because of the effort of Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, the social reformer from India. Question number 26. Who founded Tattvabodhini Sabha and Adi Brahma Samaj? Answer Debendranath Tagore. Debendranath Tagore was the father of Rabindranath Tagore, who founded Tattvabodhini Sabha and Adi Brahma Samaj. Debendranath Tagore was the member of Brahma Samaja also, which was founded by Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Question number 27. Harijan is the book written by whom? Answer Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi wrote a book called as Harijan. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of nation. Mahatma Gandhi led many satyagrahas in India known as Civil Disobedience Movement, Non-Cooperation Movement, Dandi March and Quit India Movement. Question number 28. Which is known as Magna Carta of English Education in India? Answer Sir Charles Wood's Dispatch of Education is known as the Magna Carta of English Education in India, which was passed in the year 1854. Question number 29. The motto of Arya Samaj was? Answer Go back to Vedas. The motto of Arya Samaj was Go back to Vedas. Arya Samaja was founded by Swami Dayananda Saraswati at Bombay. Last question, question number 30. What is Swami Vivekananda's original name? Answer Narendranath Datta. Swami Vivekananda's original name was Narendranath Datta. He was born at Kolkata in the year 1863. He attended Parliament of Religious held at Chicago in the year 1893. This is all about history part 3. Please like and share our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Thank you.